for our wasem abetubia etrese abrantia ye friend SDK daily ne mame efrim na yebo SDK daily edian eya brantia bia na one ne mame ne papa ene yes skits especially comedy skits ayehwe bi e Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, any YouTube no na brantia ene ne mame ne papa ene taye pa and o share ye continent ayo Africa and pempunu enye easy say abofra ebetumi amane maame ne papa at their age omo obetwe omo e dia ben so omo mra no mo be skit papa no kra ne maame na ahwe ko mo bubefu but it seems say that talent was in the house, it was in the family, it involves in the family. Utumi hu say ejane maame ni na they had that comedy lifestyle no mudi tifi abofra ni nye no hu ni maame ne papa say no when I look at my talent me nye film awofo mi nu yiwo so he used them and yes na awofo no ne omo ye den edisa comedy skit no e ma ne trend pa it's like it becomes so lovely am ankofo bi kra copy that lifestyle because yet den say especially in Ghana say we be sorry no maame no papa say we omo be to social media na omo ye comedy skit say be say obi kra ba kofre wa awofo aka kire omo say na antifu anti ama brother si na baby awadui nkola die yes, you know our country. Somebody have called these people and done that before. And ebia aju no ba out the disclose excellent. But enche ebia na brandy e pa chere say. Delay interview better say ni papa efrim. And during that no ni papa efrim enche some enche munsa na ni papa efrim. And na no pay kote ya brandy say ni maame so or they better to the Facebook page what you say. Lost my lovely mom. Rest in peace mama. And they love emoji eto hono na ento aso na unim say wa be post this no as nipa bebia wa be do ni pedigree no de ankofo ebe ma no yakọ na hyede ni ade na ye twa adadro ankasa because say onipa o ye content fefefe de mayen na with his spirit na ankofo na eboa no na de be gina no those people are not with him come on they say it's going to be a struggle and a different tunnel altogether and obi your friend of Phil Ikela Paro I say SDK, now that your star is beginning to shine for your parents to enjoy, they have left you. Accept my heartfelt condolences. Losing your mom is irreplaceable. I know that you are going through a lot. Now and also another better. And I'm Abna Vida in Semi Labi. I say, this will be hard on you. The bond you two shares. Sorry for your loss. My condolences to you and the family. Yeah, now in Sema. Ghana for so edit to the comment say me to be try bia me dey iden me dey abroad na yen so expose ye so SDK daily baby obia ye ma wo shede din because sometimes when your parents are alive you feel it is okay, it is normal, it is easy, it is very calm to do whatever you want, but until you lose them you see that something is missing in your life. In Kofu bebre lose your parent, not say the parent will provide some financial assistance to them, but sometimes the love and the bond. Who are you going to talk to? Who are you going to explain things to? People are wishing Mother's Day, people are wishing Happy Father's Day. Sometimes how life goes with you, you just need people to laugh with, and you don't find anybody. Now if they to fan Kofu be mama no papa say as your parents. So sometimes the bond that branch in mama and papa share to lose them all within a possible short time media. Come on, it's very sad. Now, me dey post here to na Oshebia. Or say in an interview with Castle Entertainment, SDK disclosed that his father used to complain about his laissez-faire attitude towards his work. When my dad was around, every day he used to come to my room to ask what I am doing because I wasn't putting out videos like I'm doing now. I used to post one video and relax for some time doing another one. Na just say abrantie ni mama ni papa oni omo be ball sa bond no mo ye video edema Ghana for ehwe no na abrantie in an interview with Castle Entertainment na or catch am say me papa wu ye kra na me hu say chale ma fam eduma ni serious because me papa dey na dey be ade na me no say no my talent something I am good at because omo say your comedy skit for omo ye omo nyoma wo Ghana but need dey no edemu fo a bringing out the parent on board and how he does his interview not very interesting. It did not ni papa de bia wa ba ni de no abebo ni do Kofi bema SDK on time posting your man online I didn't think I won't posting your man online sir like come on what are you doing na ni papa cancer am na ebu wa o posti ba ko betima twembe 3 days no say no he should be doing it consistent now that he lost that father They say, Bisa, who will come and give him that advice he's looking for? And the one on posted video and I do baby now Braboni Yadin. Is this his friends? What if his friends are even hating him one underground? Some parent was he used to have and helping him to become whoever he wants to be. Iti baby Robert why in a beba na catches SDK? When you are sorry, na video be say who is going to one a opportunity. Fine, ni papa free no or say shane dey so be adwuma. E kan ne maame so ene ne maame no so eniwo. Na me go entry bebre. Okay say delay a interview bi and na that time na ni papa no efrim. Na ni papa no efrim no e na delay di be mu so. E ba ne sem kra na we lose o papa. E na okay e wo delay show no chese. At 27 we my first Ghana web na me dey bro. I say at 27 SDK Daily carried a burden that seemed too heavy for him. His mother suffered stroke and his father collapsed a couple of times, making him admit that if his father's survival would compound the situation, it would be better for him, the father, to die. When a demeanor that portrays sadness, SDK said his father had suffered a lot and it was devastating seeing him go through excruciating pain. I called a car and we headed to the hospital. While we moved, I said, Mom has stroke. You are going to suffer the same fate. It's very difficult for the family. It'd be better to give up. I whispered days into his ears. He was not responding to me despite the several calls. He was suffering, said SDK in an interview with Delay. Now, Asema Brenti a patron said, Emma Papa Yari, no one say already Nimamina Asapa from stroke. She is trying to heal. Now, Ghana Nakasa Wawnim, a Yabiasi, normal, unya stroke. Not say, oh, who am to dogs, who am con normally as you will send our pen. And any papa so sorry, I know Picasso any idea, I did not come on. Won't say me na mabwa muna mabwa no makoso me na me hwe nwom but the way things are going in there come on it's becoming unbecoming. I will say ebeya ni papa so ofimiti okebre bi okọ efie okoto ni papa oda ho na interview no chere say ni papa yare several times and nwom o dey no cost no kind that ma wa yare stroke na stroke ama yare oso ba betene fie and they move to me mama focus on whatever I want to do. You people are coming to be a burden. They say age so they are cham. It is a beya na wo hwe na won to me na amode ni wa or catch any things like that, and faithfully, delay beside okay, come on. Does that mean you killed your father or you asked him to die? I'll be like, come on, if it's going to be a burden, because about the we are saying about a tete, a behind it's a bear and also on pen baby or burden or bet to me. And that's so a so any mamma when you stroke now recover and then mamma so a film. SDK delay and any boosting for your mamma yako and your mamma shedding. Nah, yeah, and so it was say. The onyame afa no na omo ana wafa e be asafo aha na mede mu ebesi oni abe mali mo elikem kwame amega na mede nkai boy e bro that send e be say share makra bye bye.